ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the normal form of quadratic equations as we know. So we know it that what is the quadratic equations which has 2-degree polynomials, which has 2-degree, those four types of polynomials called the quadratic equation. So we are going to derive a formula by which we can factorize easy way that ax square plus bx plus is equal to minus c. Am I right it? Yes, I can write it. So I am going to take a as a common. So what would we get? That bx upon a equal to minus c, and I am going to divide this a by this minus c. Then we would get that bx upon a equal to minus c upon a. If I will divide minus bx upon a by 2 and 2, that it would be not affect our equation, and I'm going to add both sides by b upon 2a whole square. So what would we get? That x square plus 2bx upon 2a plus b upon 2a whole square equal to minus c upon a plus b upon 2a. I'm going to write it that of 4a square. I'm thinking that you all are getting this. So now what can we do here? So we are getting this. It is a plus b whole square. So I'm going to that a upon to a whole square equal to I'm going to take LCM. So a square minus 4ac plus b square. So that we would get that this we can write it by this way also, 4a square we can write this. So if this square would go to here, then it would then this terms comes into the under root. So what would happen? That b upon 2a equal to, this is a term, this is a term. So b upon 2a b square minus 4ac upon 4a square under root plus minus, as we know about it. So in the next step, this we are getting that it is a 2a whole square. So it would comes out to the under root. So what would we get? That x plus b upon 2a plus is equal to plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this, so this is here, this whole term here. So x equal to minus b upon 2a so I'm going to take LCM of this. So I would get that 2a x equal to 2a minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root. So we got our formula. So here it is our formula b upon 2a. So by this formula we can find the factor of the quadratic equation in an easy way, and it is given by the Dhanacharya it is given by the Sri Dhanacharya. So yeah, so this is called Sri Dhanacharya formula. Sri Dhanacharya formula, it is given by him. So our resultant formula is this. So we are going to check. So it is a quadratic equations we are getting this. So it is a quadratic equations just like this. So it is a quadratic equation just like this. It is a normal type of quadratic equation. We would find this by both ways. So we have a formula that s equal to b square b minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is, we have formulas. So here a equal to 12, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 1. So here a equal to 12, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 1. By putting the value of this equation in this formula, we would get it that x equal to, here is minus 7, we would put that minus 7, then we would get plus 7, and the plus minus 7 whole square means 49, minus by 4ac means 12 multiplied by 1 would be 12, and the 12 multiplied by 4, then so if 12 multiplied by 4, then it would become 48 upon 2, because 2 and 2 not 2. So 12 multiplied by 2, then here would be 24. So now x equal to 1 time, there are 7 plus minus 1 upon 24. So 1 time x equal to 7 plus 1 upon 24, and 1 time x equal to 7 minus 1 upon 24. So what would happen here, that x equal to 8 upon 24, and here x equal to 6 upon 24. So it is 1 by 4 and it is 1 by 3. So we are getting that 1x equal to 1 upon 3 and x equal to 1 upon 4. So what would happen if this 3 is multiplied by this, then and this 4 is multiplied by this, then 3x equal to 1 and 4x equal to 1. We are getting this. If this 3 is multiplied by x and this 4 is multiplied by x, then we would get that 3x equal to 1 and 4x equal to 1, and then it would be happen. So there is a factor of this polynomial. So the factor of this polynomial of 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. This is the factor of this polynomial, and now we are going to find it in a normal way. And by normal way we can find this, that 12x square plus 1 minus 3x minus 4x, that if we multiply this, then we would get this, and if we would add this, then we would get this. So what, here x and 3 is common, so 3x equal to 4x minus 1, and here this is we are taking minus 1 as a common, so this, so it comes as a common, and this. So we got this one. So now you all are thinking about it, that it is an easy way than that formula, but sometimes it is not possible to find the factor of any quadratic equations by this. At that time we applied Sri Dhanacharya formula. So it was. Thank you to give me your precious time, and please subscribe my channel if you like it. If you will not, then you are independent, because you are living in India.